Okay, so here I have the fuse box that's on the side of the door on the driver's side. You open the door and it's on the left side. I'm having an issue with my '08 Duramax. It lacks power. If you hit this power switch for the door locks, if you hit it more than once, on the second try, it starts losing power. The buttons go halfway down, you hit it again, and then all you hear is a clicking noise. So I took this off, took the fuse box apart, and they seem a little dirty. I'm gonna try to get them with the soldering iron. I'll let you know how that goes. If that don't work, I'm just gonna go buy this new and upload a video. Of the aftermath, see if it worked, if it didn't, because I've been having a lot of trouble figuring this out. Yeah, I'll keep you guys posted and I'll let you guys know what happens. Peace.